Snow removal takes me just a few minutes. I no longer have to struggle with an icy sidewalk every morning. I found a method that effectively melts ice and prevents it from forming again. It's simple, inexpensive, and works instantly. Instead of using salt, which can damage surfaces and plants around the house, I use a homemade solution that works even in the coldest days. First, boil a liter of water in a kettle. Once it reaches boiling point, pour it into a large container. Then add 30 milliliters of dish soap, which helps reduce ice adhesion and makes it easier to remove. Next, add 60 milliliters of vinegar and the same amount of alcohol. Vinegar acts as a natural antifreeze, while alcohol speeds up the ice melting process. Mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now simply spray the icy surface, and the ice will start melting almost immediately. If there is a thicker layer of ice, you can reapply the solution to speed up the process. Additionally, using this mixture prevents re-icing, so you won't have to worry about a slippery sidewalk every day. Now all my neighbors are using this trick.